Alrighty, so one of the most common requests that I've been seeing in the comments on all the Avata videos is a rates video. You wanna know what rates I have set for my DJI Avata. So in this video, I'm gonna go over that with you. Let's get started. What's good, everybody? Ken here, you're watching Original Dobo. Today we are gonna go over the rates that I am using on my DJI Avata. Now it's important to remember rates aren't going to make you fly better. It's not gonna make you essentially fly smoother. It's just going to essentially make you feel a lot more comfortable on the sticks, and everybody has different rates that they prefer. I'm just gonna go over what I'm using and what I'm accustomed to flying, but that doesn't mean that because I'm accustomed to it, you'll be accustomed to it as well. So keep that in mind as you're watching this video. All right, with that being said, let me go ahead and power on the Avata and start a screen recording onto the goggles. So to get to your rate section, you have to go to settings in the goggles. Once you're in the goggles, go to settings, remote controller, and then you go to Gain and Expo. And under Gain and Expo, that's where you'll find all of your settings for your adjustments. Now this is going to primarily affect things when you are in manual mode. It's not gonna have any effect on things when it is in sport mode or normal mode. So keep that in mind if you're not noticing a difference. So for my roll, I have it set to center stick sensitivity at 180, 500 on my max rate, and Expo at 65. My pitch is the same as my roll. Pitch and roll, I'm not doing any flips, so I don't need any sort of fast maneuvers at all. Like, I'm just trying to fly as smooth as I possibly can, and because I'm trying to fly as smooth as I possibly can, I don't really need it to be super fast. Now, this is where it gets a little more interesting than probably what you've seen on others. For my yaw, I have it set at 100, my max rate set at 400, and my Expo, again, set to 65. Now I did this because I like a very slow, smooth yaw. I actually just don't like yaw at all, really. And at first I used to have a lot of yaw, or I would try to make my yaw match everything that I had for my other settings, but now I just have separate yaw and I really almost reduce it down to nothing. So this to me gives me the smoothest appearance when I'm flying, and hopefully you'll enjoy that and hopefully it works for you. Now with that being said, let me go ahead and put my goggles on. Let's go ahead and take this for a flight before it starts raining. Wow, already down to 63%. I've only just been hovering. That is insane. All right, so we're in manual mode now. And now we'll just take it out. Only brought one battery with me. A little windy. It's really windy, actually. All right, let's try to get it through these trees nice and easy. Well, we're all the way over here by this other park. I was wondering why I was getting a slight bit of breakup. All right, let's go ahead and push it through here. This is a really cool place to fly if you fly whoops. Super, super majestic. This is where having a really slow yaw really does help out tremendously for giving the appearance of really smooth footage. All right, that was nice. This thing flies so controlled. We're at 44%. Trying to get as close to these trees as I can. I love this place. It's super fun to fly here. I mean, look at these trees. It's like, oh, birds. Oh, hit the top portion of that. Still letting me go, no problem. At 35%. That's what I'm saying, like, not having super fast rates do help. Makes navigating across these tree limbs a lot easier. I'm at 31%. Oh. Oh, I got an impact. Uh-oh. Let's see what happened. Uh-oh, got a little too goofy with that. I don't think that was a bad impact either. Let's see if I can see where it's at. I think it was right over here. Where is it? Oh, well, no wonder why it got stuck. That's fun. Well, the battery didn't come out, so that's a good thing. I'll just turn it off. So there's that. Woo. All right, so that's gonna do it for this rates video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hopefully these work well for you. They've been working fantastic for me. I've been flying these basically since day 3 of owning the DJI Avata, and I've been pretty comfortable and happy with them. The biggest thing, if you are, changing rates very often, you're not gonna get accustomed to any one configuration. So whatever you do, just stay consistent with it and play with it. Make sure you make it your own, because again, just because I say that this is what's working best for me, it may not work best for you. Anyways, I hope this video was helpful. And I will see you in the next one. Stay original. I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me. My attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check. I want the money, the power, respect, and I heard you know so-and-so. Jason and Ken on a fearless adventure to find another drone that Billy lost. Will we find it? I don't think we will, but at least we'll have a really cool story. Yeah, I see it, okay. That's where you think you crashed it? Yes. Yep. All the way up there? Yeah. Oh, I didn't sign up for that shit. Holy shit. You gotta have some range respect, Bill.